Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Christmas Martini 2021 challenge. For more information on the challenge, if you want to participate, go over to 60 Second Cocktails and see Vino. And also while you're there, make sure you subscribe to Vino's channel, 60 Second Cocktails. At the time of filming this, he was just a hair under 1,000 subscribers. Now you're probably already subscribed to his channel. So here's what you do. You call your mother and get her to subscribe. That's what I did. Unfortunately, my mother finds Vino an incredibly handsome man. So Mookie and I have mixed feelings about that. So for my hashtag Christmas Martini 2021 challenge, I'm just going to make a classic dirty vodka martini. So I got my shaker here. We're going to do a little ice. It's going to be shaken, not stirred. So the dirty part is going to be brine from my lovely olives. And then I got a really good vodka. We got some Grey Goose from France. Now this is my trick. It's actually my brother's trick. So in Martini, you need a dry vermouth. I see a lot of bartenders, they'll just rinse the glass with the vermouth and dump it out. But I actually have a spray bottle. So I'm just going to mist my Martini glass with the dry vermouth. So you just get the essence of the dry vermouth. And then we're going to give that a shaky. I got my strainer here. Now, normally for a classic dirty vodka martini, you're going to want to use olives as garnish. But for the hashtag Christmas Martini 2021 challenge, I need to make it festive. And I can make it festive however I want. This is a tiki bar. So I'm going to do a festive garnish. What's wrong, Mookie? I know, Mookie. We're getting to the punchline. Don't worry. So as I was saying before, Mookie so rudely interrupted me. I need to make it festive. So because it's a tiki bar, I'm going to add a festive garnish. So what is more festive than a hollowed out pineapple? So there you have it. That's my festive dirty vodka martini with a tiki bar style garnish. All right, so make sure you go over to 60 Second Cocktails and get Vino up to 1,000 subs. So this is Mookie and I'm Chappie. Happy holidays and yeah, that's right, Mookie. You tell him happy holidays. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar. Yeah.